Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, trying to get a few evening flights in as soon as I can with the X-Fly SU-27 or SU-57 FELON. This one's kind of beat up. This one running an AR620 antenna spectrum receiver, high rates, timer set for 3.5 minutes, running a 2200 Turnigy 4S in there, and yeah, mama had to work, my son had to work, so just me. Right, left, down, right, left. All right, no kind of gyro, no kind of stabilization or anything, just me and the plane. Timer set for 3.5 minutes, let's go. Into the wind.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
A little slap and go there. Turn the motor off. Recovers almost naturally on its own. Say watch. Just turn the motor off, let the nose drop, and put her into the wind. Let's see if we can't get a landing out of this bad boy. Whoa.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It is windy. Hope this comes out on video. Just hair on down. Just a durable little plane.
One minute.
All right, let's go ahead and get our landing in. I think my battery's about to give up the ghost here. But we can do better than that.
30 seconds. 20 seconds.
Well, at least on the runway. Alrighty, that's how much time I had left on a
Timer reset.
3.5 minute timer, 14 seconds. I had 20% left on a Turnigy 2200 Nanotech 4S. That's my configuration there. That's where I've got the battery. That's the AR620. Okay. And the rates I just flew in, high rates, aileron, 100% with 50% expo. That's what that looks like. Okay. And elevator, 100% with 50% expo. So both of them are 100% with 50% expo on both of them. And that's my rates. And that's all there was to it. Real simple. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. That is the X-Fly Twin 40 FELON, SU-57 FELON. And Fat Guy Flies RC. God bless y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.